IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. Do you think museums are important for learning? Band 5. Answer.
Yes, I think museums are important because they show old things and history. When I go there, I can learn something new. But sometimes the information is too much, and I get confused.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, simple ideas. Some hesitation. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Limited range. Grammar. Simple sentences. Some errors likely. Pronunciation. Mostly understandable, but may have unclear moments. Typical of a Band 5. Communicates basic ideas but lacks detail and accuracy. Band 7.5 Answer.
Yes, I do. Museums are valuable because they help people understand history and culture in a very visual and engaging way. When I visit a museum, I feel more connected to the past, and it becomes easier to remember what I've learned. I also enjoy how museums often use technology to make the experience more interactive.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence. Smooth delivery with clear development. Lexical resource. Good range with some less common vocabulary. Interactive visual. Grammar. Mostly accurate with varied structures. Pronunciation. Clear, natural rhythm. Typical of a Band 7.5. Detailed, well-extended answers with good control. Band 9 Answer.
Absolutely. Museums play a crucial role in learning because they preserve knowledge in a way that is both accessible and memorable. Instead of reading about history in a textbook, visitors can see authentic artifacts, which makes the learning experience far more meaningful. Museums also encourage curiosity by presenting information creatively, helping people of all ages develop a deeper understanding of the world.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence. Effortless, fully developed response. Lexical resource. Precise and sophisticated vocabulary. Preserve, authentic artifacts, meaningful. Grammar. Near perfect range and accuracy. Pronunciation. Natural, polished, and easy to understand. Typical of a Band 9. Insightful, articulate, and highly controlled language. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.